Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on? I'm testing this out, so I'm gonna need you guys' help. I'm testing this out, going live from my mobile. I think I have the chat set to. You guys should be able to see me. Let me see. Let me see something here. Let me see something here. Let me see. Let's see. See if I can get anybody come in. Let me see. Do we have anybody? Let me see. Okay. Let me see. Okay, audio's good. Okay. Audio's good. Let me okay, audio's good. Audio's good. Let me okay, audio's good. Audio's good. I'll have to sign in. Okay, audio's good. All right, let me back out of that. So I know the audio is good. I don't know about the
in 100 feet, turn left onto North Fallujah Avenue.
Text messages. So I think I got the text message. Hey, if you're viewing, drop something down. Not text message, but in the chat. Drop something down in the chat if you're watching. Just say hello really quick if you're watching. If you're watching, say hello. Let me know. But listen, this is my. I'm out in the field, guys. So. Okay, hello. Okay, thank you so much. I see you. Hello, God Me Motivation. Good morning to you. So this is great, guys. So I'll be able to go live. When can I re-enter? Re-enter on what? You talking about GJ? You talking about re-entering on GJ or what? So hey, just to give you guys just a quick background, just so you know why I'm doing this. From time to time, one of my businesses is Tech Savvy Solutions, and I'm an independent contractor as well. So from time to time, I go out and I connect people's cable, internet, all that good stuff. So I've been doing that for the past 8. I've been in this industry. So, but I'm able to go live with you guys from my mobile. This will be a little bit of a different experience from what you would normally see. With Forex, a profitable Forex trader. All right. But I do enjoy going live, and I want to go live for you guys. We're almost at 1,900 subs, so I want to make sure I'm providing content for you guys. So anyway, let's go ahead and break this down. I can't see the chats after a while. Okay. Got me motivation. What are you referring to when you say re-enter? What are you referring to? Are you talking about DJ or what? What are you referring to? But this is where I'm at so far, guys. Here, let's switch over so you guys can see. Currently, I am up 77 pips. If you guys watch my stream from earlier, it's like my pound yen analysis part 4. I was up like 90 plus pips before the news came out, and I let you guys know that hey, the news is gonna come out. I hope that it would be manipulation, continue to go up. And if you look at this 4-hour candle, even if we go over to the 1 hour, you guys can see where that news just, it really manipulated the market. And a lot of people were disrespecting the pound, right? A lot of people were disrespecting the pound. Everyone was trying to sell the pound, and I understand why, because I told you guys from my first video that this is basically what I was taking was really a counter trend trade. However, I really felt like I was just trying to get into the buy early because we were tapping on what I like to call institutional. It was an institutional demand, and more specifically, it was an institutional. Yeah, it was an institutional demand zone. So it was tapping on that. So I've been waiting for GJ to go up for the past few days, and whether it just be a correction or what have you, I was waiting for GJ to go up. And you guys can see here on the daily, the overall, I'm expecting GJ to break past that most recent high, and if not tap, get really close to that institutional supply that you guys see that I have there. So I did move my stop loss about $30 in profit. So now, worst case scenario, if the market does tank, you know, at this point, then you know, I'll walk away with a $30 profit, which is not bad. You guys can see my account, a relatively small account, you know. So I think so the account is at $1,178. Running profit is at $12.52. So this is a small account that I'm using. All right, or that I have. All right, so yeah, that's that. So, but yeah, you guys, we see that it's in a downtrend. Like most recently, it has for the past few weeks, maybe a couple of months. You can see here on the daily chart, it's been in a downtrend. But when we take a look at the overall, that's really just a corrective leg, it looks like. So it's a corrective leg. We're bouncing off of institutional demand. So this market could technically go up and break through that institutional supply and continue to go up. And what that would mean for us is that the pound is the value of the pound is greater than the value of the Japanese yen, and I can see that. I can see that. But here lately, the pound has just been disrespected. I'm calling it disrespected because it's just been falling down, right? And so I don't know how far this move is going to go. I don't know how far this move is going to go, but I'm just kind of playing it based on structure. Whenever there are demand zones created, whether on the 4-hour, the 1 hour, I'll even go down to the 5-minute if I think that the market won't be too hostile to the downside. I may even go on the 5-minute, but usually I like to stick around the 1 hour and the 4-hour for my zones as far as where I want to put my stop loss. And so hopefully you guys can see that now, where my stop loss is. It's actually sitting below a 1 hour demand zone. Okay, it's sitting below a 1 hour demand zone. So and I do that in the hopes of that demand zone was created because of the buy orders were in excess. And so if worst case scenario, you know, this is my hope for the worst case scenario is that, hey, the market comes back to pick up some more orders, but it won't go past that demand zone. Sometimes it will. Sometimes it'll pierce through the demand zone and create another zone, and that happens a lot. That happens often. So sometimes it'll pierce through, hit the stop loss, and then continue in your bias. But all the meanwhile creating another zone, all right, that it gives the market to come back and quote unquote retest. But in all actuality, when you understand investing and things of that nature, retests are actually picking up more contracts. All right, it's the act of picking up more contract for the big investors, the big banks, the mutual funds. You guys know this is a multi-trillion-dollar industry. All right, and we don't have that money. I don't have the money to move that. I'm working with an $1,100 account, so I don't have that money to do that with. And I don't think you do. If you're watching this, I don't think you have that as well. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna have me a morning cigar. Hopefully this doesn't mess with the audio too much. But yeah, I'm just checking in, guys. I like to check in. I like to do these videos and just share my knowledge and my experience with you guys. Here we go. You guys, let me know if that messes up the audio for you guys. So I've got a few minutes that I'm gonna be on here with you guys, and then I'll come back. But if you have any questions, like Motivation was asking when to re-enter, if you could just clarify what it is that you're referring to. I have no problem with answering that if you're still with me. All right. If not, I think I'll go ahead and end the video right now. Hopping on the interstate here. Guys are with me. Like I said, I have no problem answering any questions that you have. Now we'll just sit here and I guess you can watch me have a cigar, drive and watch the charts. Expecting GJ to continue up for me. You guys can see on the Fibonacci, TP1 has been hit, TP2 has been hit twice. All right, looks like we're getting a rejection at the TP1 level there. All of the pound news should have passed by now. I think the latest was 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time today that I saw on my FX book. Everybody with me still? Guess maybe you got man. Well, all right, guys. I appreciate you guys for viewing. If you're viewing this later, I appreciate you. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, as I always say, hit the thumbs down button twice to really let me know how much you dislike the video. If you have not done so yet, please subscribe to the channel. If you're looking for a mentorship, please feel free to head over to the teachmeofficialfix.com to sign up for mentorship. Yeah. All right, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you. Always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, have a good one, you guys. Bye-bye.